With the girders in place, the forming of the bridge deck begins. Both ends of the bridge are slowly backfilled in compacted lifts of 6 inches. The west end of the fill is finished first, with the east end following slowly behind because of the large fill area. The bridge deck is almost ready to pour, and a large concrete finishing machine called the bid well is set up on the west end of the bridge deck. After 2 weeks of rain delay, the deck is ready to pour. Cotton Concrete from the Port Hadlock area delivers the concrete mix to the huge 117,000-pound pumper truck. The new bridge required wire-reinforced, rock-filled structural earth walls to support the added heights of the fill. The pour began at around 8:30 a.m. at the west end of the bridge. The bid well begins its back and forth journey, rough finishing the concrete as the concrete finishers complete the process. The bid well can be adjusted to create a crown in the road so that the water runs off the roadway to the edge of the bridge and is caught by catch basins that remove the water from the deck. 300 tons of concrete were hauled from Port Hadlock, each truck being tested before loading into the pumper truck. The pour continues until the job is finished around 2 p.m. that afternoon. The new concrete is covered with damp burlap and will be left for about 7 days while the concrete cures. The project appears to be on track for completion around mid-March, depending on the weather.